Hello, students. My name is Casey Nguyen. I am a professor at Moreno Valley College. I want to invite you to take CIS-30C in the spring 2022 with me. In this course, we are going to learn about Python scripting for cybersecurity, applying cybersecurity concept with programming. This is going to be a really fun course for those of you who are pursuing either computer programming or cybersecurity. This course is helpful. I know that we have a Python programming certificate, and this course will be useful toward that certificate as well. So if you are interested in taking a programming course, and if you have met the prerequisite for CIS-30C, which is CIS-27, you can sign up for spring 2022. CIS-30C 23265 is the section number. And in this course, we are going to meet on Zoom from 5 to 7 p.m. on Monday and Wednesday. So there's no on-campus requirement for this course. This course is taught via Zoom. Again, sign up for my class, CIS-30C, section 23265. I look forward to have you in class, and we'll have fun learning about Python for cybersecurity. Thank you for watching my video.